Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link Excel to PowerPoint so your data stays dynamic and updates automatically in your presentation. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the presentation where you want to add your Excel data. Make sure your file is ready before moving on. Next, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top and click on Object. This feature allows you to embed or link an existing file like an Excel spreadsheet into your slide. In the window that appears, select Create from File. Then click Browse to locate your Excel file on your computer. Once you've found it, select the file and click Insert. Now you'll see an option to display as icon. Checking this box will show your Excel file as an icon on the slide, keeping your presentation neat while still allowing anyone to click and open the spreadsheet. If you prefer, you can also display the full worksheet directly. Finally, click OK to embed the Excel file. Your Excel document is now linked to your PowerPoint slide, meaning any updates made in Excel will automatically reflect in your presentation. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to link Excel to PowerPoint for dynamic, up-to-date presentations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.